Alright everyone, so this is just kind of a little impromptu video that I'm going to be doing today. So I've got a little package here from a trade that I did recently. So there's really not too much to say. I know what's in here, but I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you guys. So we're just going to cut through there. And I'll cut it a little bit more so I'm doing that a little bit easier. And we have this very nice, there it is, Notifier NBG10. So I got this from Kansas Fire Alarms. I'm going to be trading him something. But yeah, he sent me one of his BG10s. Let me go ahead and pull it real quick. Very nice. And this is a hex lock model, so I'm going to have to reset this. There we are. I'm going to put the camera down for a second so I can open this. Sorry about this bad video. Here we are. So as you can see, it's one of his NBG10s. So yeah, there it is. It's a great new device for the collection. So thank you, Kansas Fire Alarms, for sending me this. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.